What's up, FHS? Welcome back to the Saber Roar. I'm Jesse.
And I'm Corey. This week, we'll take an inside look into our new scoreboards, the Hot Sauce Homies, our girls tennis team, Tabletop Games Club, and getting to know long-term sub Mr. White.
Each year, we've admired our winning scoreboards of our sports teams. This school year, we've got the pleasure of upgrading these experiences with a brand new scoreboard. Let's go take a look.
I'm Mr. Guyette. I'm in charge of putting images up on the screen during the football games. Last year I was doing the scoreboards for the baseball game, and Mr. Smith asked me if I wanted to get involved with the new scoreboards that we were getting this year, and I was like, sign me up. That's something I've always been interested in. These new scoreboards were brought to us because we want to have a better overall experience for the fans and for the school in general. We can get so much use out of the one out on the football field and in the gym. So the new scoreboards that we have this year were built by a company called Daktronics, which is a nation's leader in video scoreboards. They made the scoreboards at Lambeau Field for the Packers and a lot of Major League Baseball teams and a lot of the big video boards you see all over the country. They're based out of South Dakota. It's a really little company that makes big products. These new scoreboards work. They're very state-of-the-art technology, and they have a much better resolution than the old boards that the school used to have. So let me show you how it works. Come on in here with me. This is our control center where I sit in front of the computer during each football game and I touch the right buttons. And we score a touchdown and everybody cheers. While students are at the games, both outdoors on the football field and in the gym, there'll be much more involvement. Students will get to see themselves up on the screen, and that's always a lot of fun. Plus, we can advertise for our sponsors, and we can play games on the video boards like you see at major sporting events. Student athletes will get to share their accomplishments up on the board. You get to see highlights, and eventually we'll have instant replay, where the fans can see what the players are doing, and we can put statistics up on the scoreboard. Yeah, not only for the football games can we make graphics, but we can do other stuff too, like homecoming. So right now, it's just me that's doing the scoreboards, but the plan is in the future to have a team of students run the board during the football games and during the basketball games. And then this new club we're gonna start, Franklin Frame, will produce the content that we'll put on the boards. Well, now that you've seen how the new video boards work, be sure to join us at the next football game and cheer on your Sabres. Bye now.
Wow, that scoreboard is outstanding. Let us know what you think and keep up the great work, Sabres.
How about we take a look at the Hot Sauce Homies as Brayden gets burned and I get cooked.
What's up? I'm Brayden.
I'm Corey.
And today we're going to be testing our spice tolerance while answering our most asked questions. This is the Hot Sauce Homies. Not even gonna be spicy. Not even gonna be spicy. Let me try that again.
Okay.
I'd probably choose, I would want to be like a flyer. I'd want to be able to teleport. I want to be able to teleport, you know?
Ability to hide one's presence. It's not like invisibility in the sense of like, I would be blind because there's nothing to reflect light off because invisibility is that's weird. But I mean, I'd be able to control whether or not I want to be sensed or not. And so people wouldn't notice me. And so it's kind of like invisibility in that sense, but I'd still be able to see because light can reflect off my eyes.
Okay.
I feel like that. Preached. Nothing. No spice.
Here you go. Oh. You good?
Oh, I feel it in my eyes.
Oh, you're dying. This one
It smells bad, bro.
It tastes disgusting.
Yeah, it can't taste as bad as that one.
Ugh.
I'm actually scared. Oh my gosh, that tastes so bad.
I know.
It tastes like Dookie.
It hurts, but like, it tastes so bad.
I can't swallow this.
Oh, I swallowed it. I'm taking this wedge, by the way.
Oh my gosh, bro, that tastes like poop. Long.
I don't know. Depends on who I have with me. It's not like I'm gonna be like some final girl or something, but I can definitely survive.
Bro, I'd survive pretty long.
Oh my god, that tastes so bad. Oh my god!
Wowza, that was pretty fire.
Hannah served an ace of an interview with the girls' varsity tennis players. Let's go check in with her.
Today, I'm hitting the courts with Saber's girls tennis players.
Hi, I'm Hannah and I play 1 singles. I'm Addie and I play 3 singles, and we're the varsity tennis captains.
How long have you been playing tennis for?
Well, I started playing tennis my freshman year of high school, so 2 years ago, and I was on JV my first year and I worked my way up to varsity.
Where are your matches played at?
We play our home matches here at the Village Club in Greendale, and then we play our away matches all around Wisconsin.
What is your season looking like going into playoffs?
Right now we are 5-0 in conference matches, so yay us. We play our conference tournament next week at Kenosha Bradford, and we're really hoping for individual state qualifiers this year. So our 1 singles, 1 doubles, 2 singles, 2 doubles, and I don't know, hopefully we'll make it to team state.
When is your state games?
Individual state is mid-October, right around the 16th, 17th, 18th, and then team state is 1 week after that, and they're up in Madison.
Thanks for coming to this interview and good luck.
Thank you. You're welcome.
It seems like they had a successful regular season. Congratulations to our Sabres still in competition.
Let's join Sufjan as we explore quests and stories in tabletop gaming.
Tabletop Game Club. You can find many other students who have interest in tabletop games. Talking with the leader of the club, Corey, she recommends the club to anybody.
I have been in the club since it started my sophomore year, so this is my 3rd year in the club. I would recommend the club to anyone who wants to work on their creativity, who wants to work on collaboration skills, who want to work on teamwork. I would recommend the club to everyone. You can work on soft skills in the club. You can work on being creative. You can work on collaboration skills. You can work on being respectful towards others.
Another member of the club, William, is ready to come back to the club after a whole summer of waiting.
I am excited to be back here at the club. It was a lot of fun last year and didn't really get to do much of it over the summer, so coming back into it this year with even more other than just Dungeons & Dragons, I feel it's a great opportunity for everyone who's interested to join the club and do what they want to do in the club.
If you are interested in joining the Tabletop Game Club, go to Mr. Goyet's room in room C223 and follow FHS TTGC on Instagram for more updates about the club.
Wow, that sounds like so much fun. If you ever want to find more information about tabletop gaming, scan this QR code.
As the new year started, Franklin noticed an absence in Miss Kelly's room. But to temporarily fill this space, Mr. White has stepped up as our new English teacher.
Hi, my name is Mr. White, Damon White, and I am a first semester English teacher here at Franklin High School. I've been teaching for over 30 years, started in 1993 to be exact. I've taught at a Central City Middle School in the early 90s, mid-90s. Then I taught at Riverside High School for about 15 years. After Riverside, I was at Wauwatosa East for over a decade. And then lately I've been doing like long-term contracts here and there, semi-retired, doing the long-term contracts. Well, my favorite subject would be English. Within English, I think I really do like literature and literary analysis. I probably have a little bit of a preference for world literature. but I also love some Shakespeare. Well, the diversity at Franklin is, I don't think a lot of people in the main city would realize how diverse Franklin is. We speak 39 home languages here. I think that would be most surprising to everyone, and also how everyone seems to get along and be open and communicative. It's been fine. Teaching has been fine. It is a little unusual to get used to the block scheduling you have here with the longer classes and the 8A, B-Day. What am I most excited about at Franklin? Ooh, I guess just getting to know the kids and having, good relationships with the staff. Seems like a very welcoming staff and student population. The best advice I would say is do what you love and love what you do. You're either going to like your job or get paid for it, and the few of us that are able to like our job and get paid for it are extremely lucky. Do what you love what you do.
That was sure an intense game of chess. If you're a chess lover, sign up for his Go Block on Fridays. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
If you have any suggestions for what you would like to see in the Saber Roar, then scan this QR code. Also be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter @TheSaberRoar to stay up to date with all things Saber Roar.
We'll see you next week, Sabres. Oh my gosh.